make some cookies. The first thing we can do is figure out what cookies we want to bake. Find a recipe. You could be like, I wonder what kind of cookies you want to make. Or, I love gingerbread, but I know your dad loves jumbo raisin. I wonder what you like. I wonder which one we should make. You could relate it back to, I think Dad would really love some chocolate chip cookies for his lunch. I wonder if that's what we should make. And try and relate some of that relationship and empathy and transferring some of those using your declarative language, transferring some of your thoughts or modeling your thought processes of which cookies you're thinking about making. In the end, let them choose whatever they want. So there's two approaches to this. You can have everything pre-measured out in containers, like little containers. Either way works for me, depends on how good your child is at measuring and how much of a mess you want to clean up afterwards. You can also be like, you control the measuring cups, and you can be like, we need a 1/4 cup of, and this is the important part, that, or that. I want you to not describe what you're looking for unless you have to put that scaffolding in and they can't follow your gesture or they can't follow your eye gaze to where it is, because that we want them to reference you. Again, make it fun. I need some of those. Oh, and now we need to add that. And now we need some of those, so that they're mixing. They can still add the stuff, but they're learning to, I'm learning from Mom by what Mom's looking at, what to do next. And that builds that regulation piece of being like, I can learn from observing others what to do next. Let me know how your cookies go. And again, if you're having trouble with this, or even if you're not, this is a great activity to grab a 5-10 minute clip of and send to your RDI consultant. And they'll be able to help you find the next steps. Either back it off or add a couple new steps, or maybe you need to take a side step and work on something, another skill that will help this. Just utilize that RDI consultant, because that's what they're here for.